When it comes to creative AI story generators, the battle between AI Dungeon and NovelAI is fierce. Both claim to offer unique experiences, but how do they stack up against each other when it comes to creativity? In this video, we're going to dive deep into both platforms, break down their features, and ultimately answer the burning question: which one is more creative? Let's start with AI Dungeon. This platform is known for its open-ended approach. You're essentially free to generate stories in any genre, from fantasy to sci-fi, and the AI will adapt to your creative input. The beauty of AI Dungeon is its flexibility. You can control the narrative and guide the AI in any direction you choose. But, and here's the catch, it can sometimes feel like the AI is too free, leading to unpredictable and sometimes nonsensical responses. If you're looking for complete control over your story's progression, that might be frustrating. Next thing, let's talk about NovelAI. It's often seen as a more refined, polished option for people who want stories that feel a little more structured. The AI behind NovelAI is designed to offer you more coherence and consistency, which can lead to more believable and grounded narratives. However, this comes with a trade-off. While the stories are well written, they can sometimes lack the same wild creativity that AI Dungeon can provide. If you want an AI that follows the rules a bit more closely, NovelAI might be for you, but it might stifle your more out there ideas. The third thing to consider is customization. AI Dungeon offers a feature where you can train the AI with custom settings to match the tone and style you want. That's a pretty unique tool if you want a specific vibe, but it can take some time to get the settings just right. NovelAI, on the other hand, offers a more user-friendly approach with preset templates, which is ideal if you want to get started quickly. But the downside? You might feel limited in terms of how much you can truly shape the AI's responses over time. Now, let's talk about the cost. Both platforms have subscription models, and AI Dungeon offers a more affordable entry point for casual users. However, as you move up to premium tiers, the price increases, and you start to see some of the features from NovelAI popping up. NovelAI's pricing, while a bit steeper upfront, includes some higher quality output and better support. If you're looking for a more polished and feature-rich experience, it might be worth the extra investment. And here's the key factor that will really help you make your decision: creativity. While AI Dungeon excels in its unpredictability, this can also be its downfall. The stories can go off track, making it harder to maintain a coherent plot. NovelAI's stories, on the other hand, often come out cleaner and more readable, but they might not offer the same kind of chaotic creativity that AI Dungeon does. So, if you're aiming for more structure, NovelAI is a safe bet. But if you want to experiment and take your story in unexpected directions, AI Dungeon offers more room to explore. Both of these platforms have their strengths and weaknesses. AI Dungeon is great if you like chaos and freedom, but it can get messy. NovelAI offers a more refined storytelling experience, but might feel a bit too controlled for those who love to break the rules. So, what's the best choice? After testing both extensively, I'd say neither of these platforms is perfect for what they claim to be: the most creative AI story generator. While both have their merits, there's actually a better option out there. If you want to take your AI storytelling to the next level, make sure to check out the free trial in the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. If you're serious about finding a truly creative AI writing assistant, this alternative might be